Hello, Mr. Latif Abubakar.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm good. You?
I'm fine.
Yeah, it's amazing being here at the African Festival. I had a great time, with the stage play and with the setup here. It's been amazing. Kudos to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, so I want to find out from you, right? What's the idea behind the African Festival and what does it aim to achieve?
There are two objectives when it comes to the African Festival. The first is to put a spotlight on African talents within the creative arts industry. I believe we have so much talents, but we don't have the platform to showcase those talents. So the brand, the African Festival, was created to help us showcase that talent to the world. Again, we felt that theater, cultural, art and music is actually a very important to champion a social and behavioral change. So we felt that let's create a platform that can help us or enable us to be able to propel that vision of using culture, art and music to champion social and behavioral change. So those are the two major reasons why we gave birth to the African Festival.
Amazing, amazing. So with this year's theme, right, Climate Action Now, where did that idea come from and why was it chosen?
So mostly we like, actually, if we want to drive social and behavioral change, we like talking about topical issues and trending issues. We realize that climate change has become a big deal. Again, we also realize per our research that the audience psyche in Ghana and on our African continent is very low with regards to climate change. So we had to also use the power that we have, which is the power of culture, art and music, to create awareness and bring people to the understanding of what climate change is all about. So that is the reason why the 2024 edition of the African Festival actually focused on climate change.
Great, yeah. So you made mention of culture, which drives me to my next question. For me, I've experienced a lot of cultural display, and I know that's one of your key points, to exhibit the cultural heritage in Ghana to the people here and the people coming from, other places, in the world and all that. So what is your message? What message you wish to convey to the people with regards to the promotion of culture?
I think that just for everybody to understand that culture plays a very significant role in the development of any country and then of course on our development of our continent as Africa. Because people do not understand what climate change is. See what culture is doing in trying to get people to understand and appreciate. The African Festival attracts a lot of youth. So it is the best opportunity to use that platform to drive a message that the youth need badly. You understand? So that is actually one important role I feel culture is playing in our society. More importantly, we're also looking at the fact that our authorities in terms of our government have neglected culture, forgetting the important role culture can play, not only in championing social and behavioral change, but also as a major contributor to our GDP. Their focus is not there. I feel they've neglected the creative arts industry. So this is also an avenue for us to keep reminding them that we exist and we can make a difference with regards to our economy.
Great. Thank you very much, Mr. Latif. And we hope to be here next time. That's
it's
next
an
year.
annual event, so
Yeah.
definitely. Let's see. I hope, inshallah, if God gives us lives, we'll be here.
Yeah. So what should we expect from next year?
I think it's going to be big. People are saying this is wow, this is exciting, this is interesting. But next year, the plans we have, we're growing gradually. Last year was a bit smaller. This year is bigger. Next year will be something that will blow people's imagination. Trust me, there will be fun across the entire conference center. You'll love it.
Amazing. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now that's all from the annual African Festival, a celebration of culture, heritage, and tradition, as well as climate change. Now, the 2024 edition might have come to an end, but the conversation still continues. My name is Noura Mohammed. Thank you for watching and continue to watch HAFIZ TV for more content.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.